Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and we are looking at this mega development. This is the Pinnacle. This development is going to be, it's going to involve building four 28-floor towers, and each of those four towers will be the tallest building in Jamaica. So the four tallest buildings in Jamaica will be located right here. And these will be the tallest buildings in the Caribbean. For the first time, Jamaica will have the tallest building in the Caribbean. Okay, so this development, as we said, involves building four towers. The towers are going to be the Swallowtail, which is going to be a residential tower, the Canary, which is going to be timeshare, the Hummingbird, which is going to be the Hummingbird, which is residential, and the Phoenix, which is going to be a hotel. Now, this development is going to be done in two parts. So the first part is what we're looking at now, the building of towers 1 and 2. And then after those towers are finished, it's going to take about 36 months, and they are moving, let me tell you. The last time we were out here was about a month ago, and a lot of progress has been made. These two towers will be built within the next 3 years, and then after that they'll start working on the other two towers, and the entire development should be finished by 2029. But as we said, these two towers will be finished in 3 years. And we will keep you guys updated on this development. At the rate they're going, we're going to give you update videos every 2 weeks. Okay, so we're just going to tell you a little bit more about this development. The Pinnacle development in Montego Bay, Jamaica is a transformative luxury real estate project set to reshape the region's skyline and lifestyle offerings. The $350 million development, spearheaded by LCH Developments, is located on the Redding Peninsula and includes over 500 residential units. These units will be distributed across four 28-story towers featuring a mix of apartments and villas with stunning views of the ocean and surrounding natural landscapes. Key amenities include a marina, private beaches, pools, tennis courts, restaurants, and a private club, creating a restaurant-style living experience. The project emphasizes sustainability, incorporating green technologies like solar energy and rainwater harvesting. It also promises to enhance the tourism sector by introducing city-based luxury accommodations in Montego Bay, adding a new dimension to the island's tourism and real estate appeal. The entire development is expected to be completed by 2029, with towers 1 and 2 scheduled to be completed within the first 36 months of construction. The project is expected to create around 400 jobs during its construction phase. Alright, so that's a brief summary of the development, and as you can see, Tower 1 is moving. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.